Hey y'all, got a quick one for you today. So Canon Keys have a special bundle promotion for the Brutalist line of keyboards, and they sent out the Savage 65 for me to check out. Now the Brutal line is an oldie but goodie keyboard set that's been around for a couple years now. It offers an industrial design with sharp lines in a full aluminum CNC case. This is a top mount board and it comes with O-rings to isolate the plate from the top case a bit, but still overall a stiffer typing experience by today's standards. I really dig the sharp looks of this board, with the only drawback being the USB cutout. It's definitely an eyesore and I wish the cutout was closer to the size of the USB. Now included in the kit for the Savage 65, you'll get the keyboard, FR4 plate, solderable PCB, carrying case, hardware, the bump-on feet, and polyfill. The case has a 20mm front height and a 7.5 degree typing angle, making it easy to use without a wrist rest. Fully built, the board comes in a little bit over 3 pounds. The bundle they're offering will get you 45% off the switches of your choice or 40% off one of Canon Keys in-stock keycap sets by Nice PBT and Canon Caps. I personally really like the Nice PBT sets that have come out recently, and the CXA set is a twist on the cherry profile with added ergonomics for comfort. I did a full review on the CXA set that I'll link in the description for you to check out. Now if you decide to go with switches, they do have a solid line of switches as well, including the Gateron Oil Kings. You can pick up the Savage 65 and a Nice keycap set for around $315 or $300 if you want to go with switches and maybe throw in the Oil Kings. Now before I get to the typing test, I should let you know that the Brutal V2 line is right around the corner, and AIO3 designed the board and it looks really phenomenal. The price of the V2 has not been announced, but Canon Keys has said that it will be priced higher than the V1 and they will still offer the V1 as a lower price option. The switches I use in this build are lubed and filmed cherry blossoms, and sitting on top of those is this gorgeous Nice PBT Fuji keycap set. Although they do include polyfill with the case, I suggest trying out the Force Break mod for this setup. If you're not familiar with this mod, it's something that Keyboard conjured up that really helps with case ping and hollowness. All you have to do is place some tape on each side of the screw holes on one side of the case, either the top or the bottom, and this will create just a bit of isolation between the top and the bottom case to give you the desired result. I use electrical tape for this one and it makes a pretty noticeable difference. So I have 3 typing tests with different configurations. One is going to be without anything, the second one with polyfill, and the third one with the Force Break mod. So if you're thinking about going in on this bundle deal, I do have an affiliate link down below that does help the channel. I think if you're in the market and you also happen to need some switches or keycaps, this is a solid deal. And they do also have an 1800 layout available for those who need a 10 key, which are really hard to come by, and I'm glad to see that something like that is always in stock. So that's all I got today. I got some serious heat coming soon, so subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy the typing test. Catch you in the next one. Peace.